Hi, this is Doug and Cindy with Elder Law Practice 5Cast. Thanks for joining in today. And today we're going to talk about the topic that we hear, or question we hear from people that say, Mom was told she can't get Medicaid to pay for her nursing home care because she's got too much income. So
the way I usually explain this is three of the primary criteria that I explain to people that want to know about qualifying for Medicaid to pay for their nursing home care is the medical. You have to have the medical need. Can't be over your allowable resource limit. We talk about that in a separate video. And this one, the third criteria, is too much income. The federal law says if you have too much income, you can't qualify for this benefit. But what if you have $2,500 in income and your care costs $7,200 a month? Big difference there. So the goal is to help get Medicaid to pay for that difference.
And so Arkansas is an income cap state, which means if you've got currently the number is 2313, and this number changes every year. So if you're watching this next year, just know it'll be a different number. But if you've got more income than this, you're too rich to receive Medicaid, but you're too poor to pay the nursing home bill, which, like Cindy said, may be $5,000, $6,000, $7,000 a month. And so the goal is to get Medicaid to pay the difference between mom or dad's income and what the actual cost of care is. So how do we fix this?
So you have to be able to meet that criteria. So what the law allows you to do is to create an irrevocable income trust. And this is called a Miller Trust because of the lawsuit that brought this about. And it's a bank account. You sign the irrevocable income trust, you create the bank account, and each month all of the Medicaid applicants' income goes into this box. Each month, all of the countable income goes in here. And then each month, you write out specific checks.
So this is like a box or a trust?
A flow-through.
Flow-through with no top and no bottom. It just floats through.
Flows through.
And so all of mom or dad's income plops in the top, and it all goes out the bottom. Now, can the family use the money just to pay whatever they want?
No.
That's a problem.
Get, yes, very specific things that you can write checks for, and this comes from the Department of Human Services. They tell you the exact amount and who you're going to write it to. So,
so any income that comes out of the Miller Trust or the Irrevocable Income Trust goes to pay expenses as approved and allowed by the DHS caseworker when we're going through this process. And the biggest expense or the biggest thing coming out of it would be the nursing home. Pay for the cost of care.
The amount of income that you contribute each month to the nursing home. Now, there are other videos on this. There's a video that we've done specifically on the Miller Trust.
Right.
On transfers and
uncompensated transfers. This is a whole big topic that where money is given, and then we talk about a penalty period which is incurred as a result of an uncompensated transfer in another video as well. All of these are related topics. These things all tie together, and it's all kind of like a big bowl of spaghetti. That's why it's important to go to someone to get some information to determine if your loved one can qualify for Medicaid assistance. But the reason we wanted to discuss this today is because we hear this is something we hear almost every week, and people just take it as the truth that, oh, mom can't get Medicaid because she's making too much income, and then they just stop the search. They just quit trying, and they just think, well, we'll just have to pay all of the rest of her money out, and then I don't know what we're going to do. Take her home, I guess.
No, then the kids help pay.
Yeah.
The difference between the $2,500 she's got in income and the $7,200 that the nursing home costs, the kids can help pay that.
Yeah, but they don't have to. I mean, with some proper planning, they can, they can get Medicaid. But yeah, that's just it. A lot of times they just don't know the options.
So really the point of this explanation is that this is a simple concept. It's a bank account that is created when you sign this short trust. Money goes in each month, money goes out each month. But every week we get calls because someone has made a payment out of the trust or put money into the trust or started it with money already in there, something to mess it up.
Yep.
And it's we create a whole notebook on this for our clients so that they don't mess it up.
One of those simple things is not so simple. So.
Well, yeah, exactly.
So just know that income is not like the oh, that's it, it's over, mom can't get Medicaid. If that's usually an issue that can be taken care of and where your mom can get Medicaid assistance. So meet with an elder law attorney and discover the truth. Thank you for joining us today, and we hope you're having a great week.
And thank you for being a caregiver for your loved one. You're making a huge difference in their life.
So if you like this video, give us a thumbs up, and if you want to see more videos like this, click on the subscribe button to subscribe to this channel, and click on that little notification bell to be notified the next time we do a video.
And if you want to interact with us, check out the description below and leave us a comment and let us know what legal or caregiver topics you'd like to hear about.